going to make a black acai chai pudding. That's something that's very good for your digestion and also very high in antioxidant. And we're gonna be using some charcoal powder, some acai powder, some coconut, almond, and we have some blueberries, and we have also some chia seed. And we're gonna be using a non-dairy milk, so it's gonna be a vegan. And we're using almond milk. And let's get cooking. So for the black acai chia pudding, we need about 6 ounces of chia seed. We're gonna put that in a bowl, and about 9 ounces of almond milk, or you can use any non-dairy milk you want. And we're gonna combine that together, and then we're gonna put it on the fridge so to allow it to bloom. Now the mix is ready. The chia seed and the almond milk is all together, it's bloom out. And then now we're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of charcoal, and 2 teaspoons of acai powder. And we're gonna mix all that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now the mix, and look at that. And to finish, we're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. You can basically use maple syrup, honey, or even agave to make it sweet. So now we're gonna slice the fruit, and then we're gonna get some help with Keisha, my knife, to help me with all the slicing. And now it's time to plate. Some nice toasted coconut. We have some nice blueberries. Some toasted almond. Dragon fruits. Some nice strawberries. Why not a cherry? And we have some nice pomegranate seed. Voila!